Catherine, and I have been making YouTube videos to follow my fashion journey, my quest to see what is going to be the best solution for me to keep my closet tidy, but yet be able to wear the latest fashions and latest trends. So I'm trying out several different things. I'm trying out some rental services. I'm also trying curated boxes. So at least I can try them on at home, which I really enjoy, instead of those glaring lights in the fitting rooms in stores. And I don't know about everyone else, but our mall has downsized so much, it's just difficult to shop locally. So this has been a fun journey. I got my nails done today, so they look a lot better than yesterday's video. So yesterday, I got an armoire box and I tried all that on. This is one of the dresses that I'm just loving from that armoire rental. But I also was expecting a MODLUX order, and only one item came in, so I didn't know what the heck was going on. But then today, the rest of the box came. So I'll show you what came yesterday. It was this pink top. Very gorgeous. Feels nice and silky. So I got this pink top yesterday, and I thought, well, there's a lot missing. So they came today. And what I'll do is open it up, and then I'll try everything on and give you the details about them as I'm trying them on. And MODLUX is one of the rental services. I've been trying Rent the Runway, Armoire, MODLUX, and I did try Nuuly, N-U-U-L-Y. I had paused the Nuuly one. I'm not crazy, it's probably my least favorite, and then I'm probably gonna pause the MODLUX as well. Anyway, but it's the most affordable. It's $125 a month for MODLUX. They only have one plan, and you get 6 items. So it's pretty good, and you can exchange them as often as you like. I might have misspoken, I think it's 5 items. But you can exchange them as frequently as you like. So if I try something on here today and it doesn't fit, or I just don't care for it, I can send it back tomorrow and get something else. I do like that about the unlimited plans. I see my kitty in the corner. I just wanted to mention, sometimes she shows up in my videos and I don't know until I go to edit it, so I don't mention her. But anyway, it's Crystal, if a white fluffy kitty shows up in my videos. All right, and then this is the box that came today, the missing items. And so much fun getting these boxes. Wrapped nice in tissue paper, like most of them do. Ooh, very pretty. Oh, I thought this was a sweater by itself. But it's a sweater and a blouse. Interesting. Wonder if I could take, yeah, no, it's all attached, so you have to wear it all together. When I chose this, I was choosing the sweater thinking that'd be something good to wear into chili restaurants and things like that. I live in North Carolina. It's pretty warm right now, so I'm not sure if I'll have occasion to wear this. Anyway, we'll try that on. Kind of different. And then we have cute top with the puff sleeves. Nice knot here in the middle. I have an hourglass figure, so I like to emphasize my waist when possible. So we'll try this on. Then I have, oh, I guess we do get 6. I don't have to count them. Anyway, I have so many rental services going through my head, I forget which are which. So, oh, cute. So this is a dress. Nice floral dress. We'll see how that looks when I try it on. Oh, and this top. I love the look of this top. Isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful top. Okay, I can't wait to try this. I'll probably try this one first because it's just gorgeous. And it's got that structure to it that's really in right now, because structured tops are very in. I'm excited about this. I may purchase that. That's the thing about the rentals. If you fall in love with something, you can purchase them, frequently at a discounted rate. Okay, that is the MODLUX box. We've got 1, 2, 4 that came today, and then the one that came yesterday. So it is the 5 items at a time. I'll be back. Oh yeah, I'm feeling like the bad boss lady in this top. Loving it. How gorgeous is it? It's got metallic in it. I'm wearing it with my Frank Lyman tights with the skirt attached. They would really go with any black pants, some kind of sleek black pants, or a black bodycon type of skirt like this. So anyway, look at the shoulders, loving this. I did pair it with one of my black tube tops underneath because otherwise it would be too much cleavage. I'm thinking maybe, I got this in medium and I was tempted to get it in small, but I ended up getting it in medium, and maybe a small would have fit a little bit better, but still, I am loving this. Wish I could purchase it, but I can't when I tell you the price. So this is, and then I'm going to show it with a couple of my little props here that I brought. It is, as soon as I sign back in, it's a Valerie top, and the retail price would be, I think I said $202. That would be my price. My discounted price would be $202. So I do not think I'm getting this. It's made up, it said 50% polyester and 50% metallic. You can definitely see the metallic in it. Let me get a little bit closer so you can see the shimmer to it. It's just so gorgeous. All right, how about this? Oh yeah, I'm going out. Then we also have this bag that I've owned for a while. Could do a little bit of that. Loving this top. I might have to change my mind about the MODLUX just so I can hang on to this all summer. Even though it would definitely be a fall top too. You would want to go out at night in it. In fact, we're going out dancing tonight. I think I might be wearing this. All right, let's move on. I ended up doing this first. Like I said, I probably would. Okay, next up is this pretty summer blouse. It's a cami NYC, and it has pretty detail around the sleeves, around the collar. It's got a little button in the back. They show it tucked in. You could just as easily wear it out because it has a nice edge around the bottom so that it would work out like that. Or you could also belt it around the middle, and I got these 2 belts, the pink one I had on with my jeans, and then this purple one I got from Amazon, and I think they're really cute. So you could wear it, they're patent, you know, and shiny, so you could just as easily wear it with the belt like this. I'm not 100% excited about this. It says, I think I already read this, but it says it retails, well, I mean, for 50% off, I would get it for $117.50, which I don't think it's really worth $117.50 for me. Anyway, it would be nice. I'll probably wear it a couple times. It would be good to wear to work. Okay, let's move on to the next item. Now this dress I can get behind. It is so feminine and pretty. Isn't that a pretty dress? This I do like. It's see-through, so I have on a black, it's kind of like uneven hem, what is it? Handkerchief hem slip, but it definitely does the job for covering. Otherwise it would be too see-through, but this is a lovely dress. I like the sleeves. Very pretty. So I will have fun in this dress. And so now I'm not sure if I want to wear this tonight or at the top with the black pants. I wish I had a black bodycon skirt for that top, the metallic black top. Anyway, oh, let's look at this. How cute is that? I do like this dress. I'm going to keep this, and I'm going to keep the black top. The rest I may send back in exchange for other things. So let me tell you about this dress. It's a Ava Franco Amara dress. This is size 6, and with 50% off, it would be $179. Now that's probably about the best deal I've read today from the MODLUX. Anyway, I think, like I said, I probably will keep this for a little while and the black metallic top, black and gold metallic top, and then send the rest back. So I'll be able to show you what I get to replace. The other thing is, I think I am going to search on Amazon for something similar to that black and gold metallic top. If I find anything, I'll let you know. So let me know if that's something you're interested in. If I find designs that I really like and pieces that I really like and they fit well and they look good, but the price is just too outrageous, I'll search on Amazon and see if I can find something similar that's affordable for most of us. Anyway, thanks for watching the MODLUX, and I'll return with more videos. Bye. Okay, silly me for thinking that this was 2 separate pieces and I could just wear this cropped cardigan that just comes to below the elbow. I thought, well, that'd be great to just slip on going into a restaurant. Well, I should have read further. It is all one piece, and I do not care for it. It'd be way too hot. I live in North Carolina, and it is May, so no, way too hot. Okay, it is the McKinley mixed media cardigan top in medium, and believe it or not, so what's it made of? Ooh, it's hot. Let me get back to here, sorry about that. With 53% off, I would pay $258.50, and that's with 53% off. So, no thank you. Oh my goodness. So anyway, that tells you how much it was to begin with. Not sure who would pay that, but no offense if you have one, but it's just definitely not for me. Okay, oh, while we're at that, let me tell you, I did not do a very good job of putting things in my closet. So with MODLUX, you pull things that you like, you put them into your closet, and then they choose items to send to you. You can, for another fee, you can tell them the 5 items that you want, but you pay an additional fee. I think it's $7 and something to be able to do that, or let them choose it randomly. This cute little top that I thought was going to be really cute. Who knows why I put it in my closet in a small petite. Has a zipper in the back, but even with the zipper down, I could not get this on. So I was like, no, I'm not going to struggle and get it on, then struggle to get it off. So I'm not going to be able to wear that. The beauty is I can send this and these 2 items back and get something to replace it. And I haven't tried the dress on yet. I may want to send the dress back. And then they'll send out new things. So that is probably what I will do. The top, my price would be $59, and that's with 80% off. It is, where'd it go? Okay. My iPad is not acting right. Okay, there it is. It's the twist knot puff sleeve blouse in pale fawn, and it is, I mean, it looks really nice. Maybe I'll get it reordered in a medium. If so, I'll come back and let you see it on.